Close your eyes for just a moment. Imagine your skin completely bare, completely clear. No texture hiding under powder, no redness you keep trying to cover. Just your face, soft, calm, breathing. That's what this video is here to give you. Not a miracle, not a product haul, a ritual, a moment that belongs entirely to you. Stay with me. You know that feeling when you look in the mirror in the morning light? The kind of light you can't escape, the kind that finds everything. And your heart just sinks a little? Maybe it's the cluster of blackheads along your nose that no amount of blotting paper ever truly hides. Maybe it's the pimple that appeared the night before something important, like your skin chose the worst possible timing. Maybe it's just that general heaviness, the dullness, the unevenness, the sense that your skin stopped cooperating with you somewhere on the way. You've tried things. Of course you have. The harsh scrubs that left you red and raw, the clay masks that cracked and pulled, the pore strips that felt dramatic but never quite delivered. And each time somewhere in the back of your mind, a quiet voice whispered, maybe this just isn't fixable, maybe this is just my skin. I want you to hear something right now, and I want you to really let it in. Your skin is not broken, it is not your enemy, it is exhausted. It is asking very gently, in the only language it knows, for softness, for patience, for the kind of care that doesn't punish but restores. That's what we're going to do today. Together, step by quiet, beautiful step. This routine was designed around one idea, transformation that feels like therapy, not aggressive, not clinical. Every single step in what you're about to watch was chosen to make your skin feel understood and to make you feel held. We're going to move slowly. We're going to be intentional. And by the time we reach the end, something will be different, not just on your skin, in how you feel about it. So take a breath, let your shoulders drop, and let's begin. Step by step, we start with steam, not because it's trendy, because it is one of the oldest, most honest forms of skincare kindness there is. Watch how the steam rises, soft, silent, curling into the air like something dreamed. When you lean into it, your whole face relaxes before you even realize it's happening. The warmth moves into your pores, the way a long exhale releases tension from a body that's been holding too much. This is the softening. This is where your skin starts to trust you. Hold your face above the bowl, a comfortable distance, close enough to feel the warmth, far enough to let it be gentle. About 30 seconds, maybe 40. Close your eyes. Let the moisture settle into your skin like a quiet promise. Your blackheads, those stubborn oxidized plugs of sebum and dead skin that have been living rent-free in your pores, they begin to loosen. Not forcefully, not painfully. The steam simply invites them to let go, and sometimes that's all anything needs. A warm invitation instead of force. Next, the cleanse. Pick up your oil cleanser. Feel the weight of it in your palm, that silky, almost liquid gold texture that slides between your fingers like something precious. Warm it. Just 3 seconds of rubbing between your palms, and it transforms into something that feels almost alive, fragrant, soft, ready. Press your hands to your face. The first contact is always the most tender part, the warmth of your palms meeting the warmth from the steam. Your skin is open now, receptive, trusting. You're not scrubbing, you're not rushing. You're simply massaging, slow upward circles along your jaw. Gentle, sweeping strokes across your cheeks, soft pressure along the sides of your nose, right where those blackheads like to gather. Let your fingers work in small, patient circles. You can almost feel the oil doing its quiet work, pulling like to like, drawing impurities up and away from the places they've been hiding. This is the chemistry of kindness. Oil dissolves oil, there's no violence in it, no aggression, just a gentle unraveling. Spend at least 60 seconds here, maybe 90. Your skin will thank you for the time. Then a splash of lukewarm water, watch it cascade. Watch the milky emulsion form as the oil meets the water, that soft, cloudy bloom that tells you it's working. Rinse it away and feel the freshness of what's left behind. Your skin is not stripped. It is clean. There is a difference and you will feel it now. The exfoliation. This is the step most people either skip entirely or approach like they're scrubbing a tile floor, and both of those are mistakes. Take your BHA exfoliant, your salicylic acid. This is the ingredient that changed everything for skin prone to congestion, and here is why. It is oil soluble, which means it doesn't just work on the surface of your skin. It goes into the pore. It dissolves the buildup from the inside, like a gentle thread of light pulling through a narrow, dark space. Apply it with a cotton pad, but slowly. Let it sit. This is not something you massage in aggressively. You press it softly to your skin. You hold it for a moment. You let it speak to your pores in the language they understand. Along your nose, the curve of your chin, your forehead, where stress tends to collect like a fine sediment of every hard week you've survived. Take a breath. While the exfoliant works, pay attention to how your skin feels. Not tight, not burning. Just tingly, quietly alive, like your face is waking up from a long, heavy sleep. This is the step that reaches the blackheads, the ones the steam loosened, the ones the oil began to lift. The BHA is now finishing the conversation. Breaking down the keratin plugs, clearing the melanin residue from old blemishes, telling your skin, you are allowed to be clear. Leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. Don't rush this. Good things take time. You know this. You've always known this. And now, the part you've been waiting for, the extraction. If you've done the steam, if you've done the cleanse, if you've given the BHA time to work, then what comes next is not painful. It is almost satisfying. Use a comedone extractor or simply your fingertips wrapped in clean tissue. But please hear this, only extract what is ready. Only what moves with the softest, most gentle pressure. If something resists, if something pulls and hurts and doesn't want to move, leave it. The worst thing you can do to a pimple is force it. The ones that are ready, they will release quietly, almost like a sigh. Press gently on either side. Slow, even pressure from below rolling upward. Watch the tiny thread of sebum emerge. This is the blocked pore finally breathing again. This is the blackhead that's been there for weeks, maybe months, just waiting for the right conditions to let go. It is deeply satisfying, and it is deeply okay to feel that satisfaction. Move methodically across your nose, the wings, the bridge, the chin, your forehead if needed. Take your time, don't squeeze, don't drag. Just gentle, intentional pressure, and the willingness to be patient with the ones that aren't ready yet. When you're done, rinse your face with cool water. The coolness closes what the warmth opened. You will feel it, a tightening, a refreshing, a clarity. Like the moment a window opens after a room has been too warm for too long. Now your skin needs something gentle, something healing, because even the most careful extraction is still a conversation with your skin, and after every conversation, there is a need for kindness. Reach for your toner, a hydrating one, something with niacinamide or Centella asiatica, ingredients that are anti-inflammatory, calming skin barrier rebuilding. Apply it with your hands, not a cotton pad. Warm it between your palms again. Press it into your skin with the same gentleness you'd use to comfort something fragile. Pat, pat, not rubbing, not wiping. Patting, let each press be intentional. Let your skin absorb the moisture in layers. Not all at once, but gradually, the way a garden drinks in rain. Can you feel the slight coolness of it? The way it settles into your skin, filling in the places that feel tight after cleansing? This is your barrier beginning to rebuild. This is your skin learning to trust the process. Next, your treatment. A niacinamide serum perhaps, or a spot treatment for active blemishes. For the blemishes, the pimples, the cystic breakouts, the red and swollen patches that feel like they have their own heartbeat,